Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about something super important for all our senior viewers: staying active, strong, and independent. Now, I know what many of you are thinking. I walk every day. Isn't that enough? And walking is fantastic, truly. It's a great starting point for cardiovascular health. But what if I told you there are exercises that can give you even more benefits than just walking? Exercises that can truly unlock your potential for a vibrant, energetic life well into your golden years. Today, we're going to explore 3 amazing exercises for seniors that, in many ways, outshine walking. These aren't about replacing your daily stroll, but about supplementing it to build a more resilient, balanced, and powerful you. We're talking about improving strength, boosting your balance to prevent falls, and maintaining the flexibility you need for everyday activities. These are the keys to not just living longer, but living better. So, if you're ready to feel stronger and more confident than ever, stick around. You won't want to miss this. Let's dive right into our first exercise, and it's a real powerhouse: the sit to stand. It sounds simple, right? But don't let its simplicity fool you. This single movement is one of the most functional exercises you can do. Think about it. How many times a day do you get up from a chair, the sofa, or the car? This exercise strengthens the exact muscles you need for that: your glutes, your quads, and your core. These are the largest muscle groups in your body, and keeping them strong is crucial for everything from walking upstairs to lifting your grandkids. Here's how to do it correctly and safely. Find a sturdy chair that won't slide. A dining chair is usually perfect. Sit on the edge of the chair with your feet flat on the floor, about shoulder width apart. Keep your chest up and your back straight. You can cross your arms over your chest or hold them out in front of you for balance. Now, engage your core, push through your heels, and stand up straight. The key is to control the movement. Don't use momentum to swing yourself up. Once you're standing tall, slowly and with control, reverse the motion and sit back down. Try to just gently touch the chair before you stand up again. If you're just starting, you can use the arms of the chair for a little support. As you get stronger, try to rely on them less and less. Aim for a set of 8 to 12 repetitions. Rest for a minute, and then try for another set or 2. Doing this just a few times a week will make a massive difference in your leg strength and your ability to get around independently. It's truly a foundational exercise for senior fitness. Now for our second exercise, which is all about stability and preventing one of the biggest risks for seniors: falls. We're talking about single leg stances. Excellent balance is not something we're just born with. It's a skill we need to practice, especially as we age. Strong balance gives you the confidence to navigate uneven surfaces, step off a curb, or even just walk through a crowded room without feeling wobbly. A daily walk is great for endurance, but it doesn't specifically challenge your balance in the same targeted way. The single leg stance directly trains the small stabilizer muscles in your ankles and hips, and it improves your proprioception. That's your body's awareness of where it is in space. To do this, stand next to a sturdy surface like a kitchen counter or the back of a solid chair. You'll want to be able to lightly touch it for support if you need to. Start by shifting your weight onto one leg. Then, slowly lift the other foot off the ground just a few inches. Keep your standing knee slightly bent, not locked. Focus on a spot in front of you to help you stay steady. Try to hold this position for 20 to 30 seconds. If that feels easy, you can challenge yourself. Try closing your eyes for a few seconds. You'll be amazed at how much harder it is. Or you can try moving your raised leg forward to the side and then back. Once you've held it on one side, switch and do the same on the other leg. This is your goal for each side. Incorporating this simple drill into your daily routine, maybe while you're waiting for the kettle to boil, is an incredibly effective way to build the rock-solid balance you need for a safe and active life. All right, moving on to our third and final exercise that offers benefits beyond your daily walk. This one is all about upper body and core strength, the wall push-up. As we age, we naturally lose muscle mass, and that includes in our arms, chest, and back. Maintaining upper body strength is vital. It's what allows you to carry groceries, push open a heavy door, lift a suitcase into the car, and perhaps most importantly, to be able to push yourself up if you ever do have a fall. Walking is fantastic for your legs, but it does very little for your upper body. The wall push-up is a safe and accessible way for seniors to build this crucial strength without getting down on the floor. Find a clear, solid wall. Stand a little more than arm's length away from it. Place your palms flat on the wall, slightly wider than your shoulders, at about chest height. Your fingers should be pointing up. Now, keep your body in a straight line from your head to your heels. Don't let your hips sag. Slowly bend your elbows and lean your body toward the wall until your nose almost touches it. Keep your core tight. Then, powerfully push back to the starting position. That's one rep. Focus on a smooth, controlled motion. Inhale as you go down and exhale as you push away. Start with a set of 8 to 10 repetitions. As you get stronger, you can make it more challenging by stepping your feet further away from the wall. This increases the amount of body weight you're pushing. Or you can progress to doing push-ups on a kitchen counter, then a sturdy table, and eventually, maybe even the floor. This exercise is your ticket to maintaining functional strength for all of life's daily tasks. So there you have it. 3 powerful exercises that go above and beyond your daily walk. We have the sit to stand for powerful legs and functional mobility, the single leg stance for rock-solid balance and fall prevention, and the wall push-up for upper body strength and independence. Remember, the goal isn't to stop walking. The goal is to create a well-rounded fitness routine. Think of walking as your cardio foundation, and these 3 exercises as the strength and stability pillars that support the entire structure. By combining your daily walk with these targeted exercises just 2 or 3 times a week, you'll be building a more resilient, capable, and confident version of yourself. You'll not only find your daily activities easier, but you'll also be investing in your long-term health and independence. It's never too late to start getting stronger. Remember to listen to your body, start slowly, and be consistent. The results will speak for themselves. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you feel inspired to give these exercises a try. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend who might benefit. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on staying healthy, active, and happy at any age. Let me know in the comments which of these exercises you're going to try first. Stay active, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next video.